I am going to show you how you can get real reviews on your mobile app or game for free. Step 1. Go to appenhancer.com/auth/sign up. All links mentioned in the video are in the description. Now sign up with your information. I am using a fake email for privacy reasons. One point equals one review. You can earn points by reviewing other apps. With a new account, you also get a free point. Yay! Now add the link of your game as shown below. As an example up, I am adding Talking Tom too. That is all it takes to add an app. Now I am going to show you how to earn points by reviewing apps. Now switch to mobile and visit appenhancer.com/reviews/new. Enter your login data. Enter the name that you have on the App Store. Pause and read the rules you must follow when rating. Click on Open in App Store and download the app. Scroll down, give a rating and write a review. Our review was sent. Now all you need to do is take screenshots of your review. Back on AppEnhancer, just click Choose File and choose the screenshot you took. Finally, submit your review and wait for it to be accepted. Time has passed and our review got accepted and we gained 1 point. Now we wait for people to review our app. These are the stats on my main account after doing this method for 1 week. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay safe.